Ini namanya Opai Castello. Opai Castello. Orang Thailand, guys. Brazil. Tapi bagiannya pinggir kemana? Hari kita mancing sama ketua. Baru bangun. Oke.
Halo guys, ya hari ini kita bermain di empang KIANSANTANG. Hari ini kita main tiket 700 komplit, bukan 2 lapak guys.
2 lapak.
Semoga dua-dua ya hari ini ada keindahan.
Amin. Oke Bang Obi. Hari ini mancing sama siapa Bang?
Hari ini kita mancing sama Omri. Terus Bagol sama Opai.
Oh, Bagol sama Opai Castello ya. Oke, kita lanjut ngaduk lagi nih, telat.
Dia udah baca ada orang aja nih gitu dia. Ada Aji telat banget gitu. Si Abi.
Hari ini kita pakai media apa? Mana sih stiker mana?
Enggak ada stiker ya kan
Anak lu.
mobil.
Hah?
Mobil enggak ada stiker ya kan.
Dibuangin berarti stikernya.
Enggak ada emang. Ada nih.
Itu ada stikernya tuh. Dibuang-buangin terus sama Uji parah banget tuh.
Yang sebelumnya enggak ada, Cok.
Ada.
Enggak ada yang dari Obi.
Oh, bagi dibuangin.
Gua masih 2 pasti.
Mohon belok. Coba cium.
Sat.
Coba cium.
Ini ayam nih, jagat ayam.
Memeknya. Nikmatnya.
Bagaimana?
Udah keras itu.
Berangkat.
Pertama berangkat kemana Bang? Disuruhnya.
Berangkat nih.
Kan lu mau kuning ukuran.
Ya iya lupa.
Apa namanya?
Di tas ono. Disuruh bersih.
Iyalah.
Mulut tai.
Enak kan? Kok vanila? Betul pisang ya? Semuanya bir. Coba gimana?
Taruh aja.
Oke. Hari ini Bang Obi pakai TER Aro.
Itu kuku ini tuh.
A few moments later.
15 mau diatur. Mau diatur 07. Ya tahan dulu bos, tahan dulu kita mulai dulu.
Bang, abang mancing apa mau main inian Bang? Lebar bet.
Woi, ini apa lagi sore?
Tahan dulu bos.
07. Buset dah. 4 lapak ini mah.
Kosong pisang.
Hah?
Kosong pisang.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me rolling. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Woi, lagi santai kawan.
Tidur lama-lama nih anginnya. Kasih bantal, kasih bantal gitu.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that, I'd like to play it fast. Cross me and there's payback, you better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that, I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Udah telepon dulu. Berapa?
85 ekor.
85. 86. Ada ini. Kurang satu, lawannya satu.
Dua ekor. Dua ekor.
Wah, dah sengge. Nambah 2.
Rokok dah.
Oke guys, kali ini kita cuma dapet total wilayah doang ya guys. Induknya juga lagi nggak makanin banget. Tapi alhamdulillah guys, masih dikasih hadiah. Bukan kaleng-kaleng. Salam satu kail. Anjay.
Berapa ekor tadi, Bang?
Subscribe. Ah?
Berapa ekor tadi?
112 ya?
100.
114.
Kejar-kejaran tuh.
Kejar-kejaran. Dari kala 2 sih, dari kala 2 sampai nyodok dari 114. Edan. Anjay, makan nih.
Wih.
Anjing. Lu buat komit apa tabrak nih kan? Jaran non. Itu digabungin. Emang gimana sih?